As Bitcoin continues its glorious rise into mainstream adoption, investors are now aware of just how scarce the number one cryptocurrency truly is. Owning just a tiny fraction of a single Bitcoin is now a greater risk not to own than to own. But much of the general population is still unaware that fractions of Bitcoin can be owned, assuming that since the price is so high that they have missed the boat. Or even worse, they begin looking for other cryptos that are cheaper and tragically invest into one or more altcoins without owning even a tiny fraction of Bitcoin itself. But the winds of change are now blowing so strong, I predict a much quicker than expected transition to a Bitcoin standard and widespread usage of the satoshi as a peer-to-peer currency. At the time of the making of this video, the number one cryptocurrency is valued at a face-melting $49,420 per coin. Nothing in this video is intended to be investment advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Always do your own research, and never invest more money into anything than what you can comfortably afford to lose. Each of the 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist are divisible up to 8 decimal places to the right. 0.000000001 Bitcoin is equal to 1 satoshi. At the time of the making of this video, 1 satoshi has a US dollars evaluation of 0.00049 cents. As Bitcoin's price continues its historic ascent toward a 6 and eventually a 7-figure valuation per coin, the value of the satoshi will rise dramatically. Accumulating satoshis over the past several years is a way that millions and millions of people across the globe have been hedging against inflation and failing national currencies. Critics of Bitcoin often point to the volatility in its price as a major detractor that damns it to the baby boomer dinosaur investors' tulip frenzy fever dreams of it failing, but what none of these tiny minds fail to realize or admit out loud is that Bitcoin's volatility will eventually decrease to negligible amount once the vast majority of institutions and individuals have adopted the Bitcoin standard. With that said, nobody knows what tomorrow holds. And only tomorrow will tell. Share this video with someone who doesn't know about fractional Bitcoin ownership. This is a new channel. A very easy way to support it is to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I will also include our Cash App #, Bitcoin, and Ethereum donation addresses in the description. Until next time, this is Renegade Coinhead signing off. Stay safe, internet people.